Welcome back, guys, to another amazing video. And today's episode we're gonna be doing an outdoor type of setting, jerk pan type of setting. We're gonna jerk some chicken. Yes, I know, so your girl I try out new stuff on each video. So let's see with me. Give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, because I deserve it, right? So it's not gonna be traditional, because it's not like we're gonna use type of smoke type of wood type of thing. We're gonna use coal, but still let's see, it's good with that regardless, right? Because of the season to the bone type of settings. I don't know. Yes, so stick around, guys. And yes, my chicken has been my chicken has been marinating for over 12 hours, so you know how that go, right? Down to the bone, char up, swallow. Yes, so stick around, guys. Let's get right into it. Years. Oh my god. Enough chicken sauce. Yeah, that's enough now, sir. So guys, I'm about to catch the fire. So it has been years. I'm gonna catch up now. No fire, but I'm gonna try my best. Alright, so you can't tell me that this never catch. Come on, guys, look. I catch fire. And then I'm gonna fan it little so the fire spread. So guys, backyard jerk pan set is not to see with me, but yes, from camera girl, look how my fire going with itself. So you have to fan it, you catch. Yes, so when it catch, guys, we show you what going. All right, as you can see, guys, my fire catch. I'll fan it. Catch with the other them.
Few moments later.
Catch me the camera, girl. Look, oh my catch up the fan. It should not place up too. But look, come in, camera, girl. Come catch my fire going with itself. So guys, too bad. I saw it for stay. So guys, the way how this is going with itself, we will calm it down. Look at water. Well out there. Woo. Yes. Let's just about it. So guys, we're gonna come back to when we put in the chicken on the grill, so stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So now we fire kitchen everything. Come on, camera girl. This is my meat that has been marinating for hours. So you know, say well, see. So my neighbor told me, say if you don't cut it up, I have to broke the tie. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, like broke it so it can. So we can put the seasoning on that, then dip it in this, and then just repeat the process. Like, I broke it, repeat the process. Guys, the smoke a ramp with me, but yeah. So hurry up and do this. And let's look. So you must have dip that back so the seeds go back in there. Chicken and thing. Don't want to get those stitches, so you must have the season seep through that and everything. So yeah, no. So that's basically it. And I think this is the last one. But that's broke. Right, and that's just it. And then I want this. So, we're gonna put the chicken. Let's get a little drip. You know, so we want it well cooked to the bone. You know, by the time we're done, our bone can eat. Alright, let's cook it up. Everything. So guys, I gotta put it on the grill now. You know, just say them the right way and thing. Make sure everything well set. Guys, if only you could have smelled this right now. That's alright. Alright, so guys, if you want to hire me, I can be at your next, you know, jerk pan stand, you know, jerking chicken. I may never know. So, you know, I try your thing and I just hope it comes out successful. Even though it comes out successful, but. Alright, so watch my neighbor. You know, I dig up the fire. You know, guys, so they teach me a thing or two about the jerk thing, about how the fire setting. So, yes. So, guys, I'm gonna juke it up now. You know, juke it up some more. Alright, so nice and perfect. Look how my chicken nice, guys. Look there. No man, bad to bad. Nice. Right. So guys, I have to catch it up more because the fire did that deaden. So we have to catch up. Yes. I say come like my Anna pop off. Time I don't find me Nana and I eat this now. This should be it. Don't push it back with no fork because it's like a Think you want more corn? So guys, you know it a catch it color now, so we have to turn it on thing. Watch it. Yes guys, look how that gets pretty already. I don't cook. Nice. Nice. This is like it one more. Go closer to the fire. But yes. You know guys, like how we turn it on the skin part, we're gonna just have to keep an eye on it, like a close eye on it, because you know the skin will burn and the chicken will cook. Yeah, my camera girl I do a thing. So I'm gonna cool on the fire. So guys, you have to give it another, 3 to 5 minutes and just keep on watch it until so just have to stay tuned, okay? Guys, I tell you so the fire going with itself. You have to really keep a close eye on it. We don't want it burn up. Because burn up chicken are nice. So guys, beer time, Yeah, let's try. Woo! Let's try. So was it alright now? Alright guys, I'm gonna put the season. Guys, I'm gonna look at the season with the pants. One seep in until so guys, this is in the process of me putting on the look leftover season. Look at and then I'm gonna just make it seep in and then flip it. Okay guys? So I think every part I get a little thing on it. Yeah. Oh, the smoke guys, the smoke. I don't know how them do it, but I have to do it for one, right? Yes. Just it up, make sure so all of the blood come out of it. Nice. As I say guys, by the time you're done with this, the bone can't eat. It's time for turn it now. We flip on the other side. Woo! Yeah. Put on with beer. Come on, fire, beer yourself. Then, take time to come on. Let's move on to that. Come on, camera girl, come get my meat, some nice and touch them color. See, that's how a good piece like boil between guys, so the blood and everything. Oh my god, the smoke, blood and everything again. See through it. Okay, keep it now. So now we're gonna put on we'll finish this. We're gonna put on the beer and put on the additional seasoning. So guys, I'm gonna just put the seasoning on the other side, which will flip it. The one I kind of get too much of the heat, but nothing wrong with the chicken. Alright. I'm just gonna throw the remaining, guys. Fire so you got it. That's it. Alright, guys. No, not so much. Because even though we cut it, you know, we still want to ensure say all of the blood run out. The blood. So, yes. Chop it up. Yes, guys. Chop. Easy thing, easy. Yes, guys. Calm down the fire. Yeah, beer time. As we have packed them up now, you know, make them hug each other. We, you know, make it seep through and everything. You know, yes, the smoke get through and everything, you know. But look, guys, look at the color and nice and everything already. Perfect. Look at it. Oh my God, 1 hour and 15 minutes later. Well cooked. So we're gonna plate it, guys, and show you.